All right, we're going to do review 10.1, 10.2. First 1 through 6, we're just solving by factoring. Number 1's already been factored out for us, so they just wanted us to set up x plus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equals 0. And so if you subtract 3, you'll get x equal negative 3. If you add 5, you'll get x equal 5. So there's our answer for the first one. Not too bad. Second one, see two terms subtracting, so we know that we'll have x and x to start. 81 is 9 times 9, plus on one, minus on the other. So either x plus 9 equals 0 or x minus 9 equals 0. So this will give us negative 9 or positive 9. Okay. Again, not too bad of a start. For this one, we're looking for two numbers that multiply equal 27, add equal 12. That's 9 and 3. So x plus 9 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. So we get negative 9 or negative 3. All right. For this one here, I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to equal negative 50 and add to equal negative 5. Those numbers are negative 10 and positive 5. So either x minus 10 equals 0 or x plus 5 equals 0. So we get x equal to 10 or negative 5. On number 5, we need to pull this 5 out of everything. So I'm going to pull 5 out. We're going to have x squared plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. Now I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to equal 21 and add to equal 4. Those numbers are positive 7 and negative 3. So 5 again cannot help us. It's just sitting there. Either the x plus 7 will equal 0 or the x minus 3 will equal 0. So if we subtract here, we'll get x equal to negative 7 and or x equal to positive 3. All right, so that's our choices there. And then on this last one, we weren't equal to 0 at first, so you had to subtract 30 first. So x squared minus 14x minus or plus 40 equals 0. Now I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to equal 40 and add to equal negative 14. Those numbers are negative 10 and negative 4. And so either x minus 10 equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0. So x equals 10 or x equals 4. All right. So hopefully this felt okay. Not a bad mix. A couple tougher ones on the bottom, but not bad. This is similar to what your quiz tomorrow will look like. All right, so make sure you understand how to do all of that. Then you were asked to solve using square roots. So number 7 already had x squared by itself, so we take the square root. We're going to get x equal to positive or negative square root of 16, which is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay. Then we're going to add 7 here, add 7 here. We get x squared equal to 39. Now we're going to take the square root of 39, and we'll get x equal to positive or negative square root of 39. Now again, that might be the choice you make tomorrow. It will just kind of depend on what you see as far as the multiple choice goes. If it is a decimal, then again, what you do is take your calculator, go square root of 39, or if you're using your phone, 39, and then hit that square root button, and we should get positive or negative 6.245. All right, and then that's our answer for that one. For number 9, we're going to subtract 14. Subtract 14, we'll get 4x squared equal to 100. And then divide by 4, we're going to get x squared equal to 25. And then take the square root, and we'll get x equal to positive or negative 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So we get that for our answer there. And then for number 10, we already have our term squared isolated. We're going to take the square root. We'll get x minus 6 equal to positive or negative square root of 33. That's not a nice number, so we'll just let it be for now. We're going to add 6 and plug that right in the front. Get 6 plus or minus square root of 33. Now again, that might be the choice you have to make on a multiple choice, but if it's a decimal, then we'll just go ahead and do it real quick here. So I'm going to go 6 plus 33 square root equals, so one choice would be 11.745. That's 6 plus the square root. And then if I go 6 minus 33 square root equals, then I get 0.255. All right. Now again, I don't know which of those answers you'd have to pick. Just you want to be ready for either one tomorrow on the quiz. All right. So your quiz will be multiple choice and just looking at maybe 5, 6 problems, nothing major. Okay.